Your undefeated Colorado Avalanche continue their season-long 6-game road trip around the country tonight, and I'm giving you some things to look out for in your DNVR Sports Report presented by Denver Rubber Company. Operating since 1972, Denver Rubber Company provides the highest quality products with a fast turnaround while offering innovative solutions to serve a diverse line of industries. If you need a reliable, local partner for long-term projects or custom design and cost effectiveness, go to drcfirst.com/DNVR today, as Denver Rubber Company is one of the nation's leading industrial products and fabrication organizations. The Avs take on the Pittsburgh Penguins at PPG Paint Arena tonight at 5 p.m. Colorado, of course, is riding a 5-game win streak, which is their best start since the 2013-2014 season. The three-headed monster top line has registered a total of 23 points, with Mikko Rantanen and Nathan MacKinnon both riding a 5-game point streak. Pittsburgh comes into the matchup at 4-2, led by Sidney Crosby. Some moves to take note of from the projected lineup that was released this morning. Left wing JT Compher has been cleared to play after missing the last 2 outings due to a lower body injury. Defenseman Ian Cole made his season debut on Monday after undergoing double hip surgery in the offseason. He will be playing alongside Cale Makar tonight. Mark Barberio is lined up with Ryan Graves, replacing Nikita Zadorov. And for more on these moves, be sure to follow DNVR_Avalanche on Twitter or check out the DNVR.com.